Hello everyone, welcome to Digital Leader. Let's learn about Canva together today. So basically Canva is a designing online designing tool. Uh, if you don't have Photoshop or if you don't know Photoshop, Canva is a very reliable and easier option to design anything from a logo to Facebook post or to a YouTube thumbnail, etc. etc. So first we go to Canva. Let's search. Here, the first one in the search results is canva.com. If you have an account, you can log in with that, or you can sign up. I will sign up with Google here. So this will ask you, what are you using Canva for? Are you a teacher, a student? Are you, or is it for your personal use? Is it a small business, large company, or a non-profit or charity organization? Let me keep it for personal. So like every other online tool, there is an option whether to use it for free or upgrade to a paid package. I can have it for free for 30 days, but I guess I don't need to do that now as all those tools will be available to me anyway. So maybe later. What can I design over here? See, there are so many templates available: Instagram post, logo, poster, invitation, there's animated social media presentation, video, Facebook cover, Facebook post, A4 document, or if I need anything else I can search over here. And there is also always a custom dimensions option available over here. So if you have for example, you're designing a banner ad for a website and it's a very different ad, so and if you have the resolution, you can just go to this custom dimensions and you can enter the width, the height over here. So first here, what can I design? Let's start with something more simple. Let's say a business card. 3.5 by 5 centimeter resolution was written over there. So here is a blank one, but there are lots of options available over here on the left. Okay, let's see this one. Okay, this looks nice. Everything over here is editable. Okay, the background, if I want, I can change its color from here, this option. And if I want to change the color of the scissors, I can change that from here. This is for the outline color that's visible. This is the color of the handle, and this is the color of the blades. I can change those. If I want to change the font style or the color of the text, I can edit that as well. And this is the front side. For example, I don't like this, I can like rotate it, I can make it bigger. Control Z would bring it back to the first position. I can rotate it, I can bring it over here. Whatever changes I want for my design, I can do those over here. Okay, let's try changing some of these colors. Instead of yellow, how about orange? And instead of pink, how about blue? Maybe this blue. No, that's too dark for the background. This blue looks good. No, maybe this one. Yeah, this looks better. Okay, I think I could change the color of this, same as the scissor. क्या? हाँ. Okay, I think I can change the color of this second line, same as the color of the scissor handle. So I can go here and select this one. I feel this creates kind of a balance of the color for the icon and as well as the text. Now let's go to page 2. Here I can change the color to this and this. No, this and this color. I will change to this. Yeah. This will do the same for this scissor. And this I'll change it to this, and the handle color I'll change to this. Okay, since I've changed to this yellow color, I'll have to change it. Okay, why did this happen? Did I just change it? This one to this. Here, this color will go on this, and this color will go on this. So what am I supposed to do? Am I like supposed to save it? Okay, here I think the name would look better than this color. And the rest of the text in yellow. This would look good. It's kind of complementing the scissor because the top part is blue and the lower one is all yellow. Okay, I like this. The look is nice. I think the scissor a little bit inside to the right. Okay. This looks better. I can save this. Yeah, like so. When I am sure that my design is done, what I can do is I can go to download. The highest quality is PNG. If you want to get something printed, you can save that in PNG. But if you want to upload something on a website, JPEG is a better format because it's a more compressed format. And when you're uploading a JPEG image on a website, it takes lesser time to load, so your audience doesn't have to wait for a longer period when they're on your page or on your website. Currently, I'll save this as JPEG. There you go. So this is saved as a zip file. Why is this a zip file? Because there were two designs: the front side of the card and the back side of the card. The zip folder will have both of those files. See if this is 1 and 2.